Hi everybody, welcome to the start of Angry Birds Seasons. Now we're not playing this, the Year of the Dragon. I just play the first levels. I used the Mighty Dragon on this once, and I like the Mighty Dragon. You know, this is hard because look at that, he's perfectly under there. I used the Mighty Dragon already. I told you how to play it though. I will go back to this. I'll show you him. So it's a big circling dragon that you can actually see. It's not like the Mighty Eagle. You can't see the Mighty Eagle. And my high score wasn't great. I'm gonna try to get this whole entire thing done before February, because I can do it. I'm not the best at Angry Birds, but I can learn some technique. I was playing Angry Birds Rio today. This video is gonna be very short because I'm getting everything done. I was about to hit it. I don't know why it was blinking. Why is it? Oh, I must have used it already on that level. Forgot I used it. So I did not play the whole entire thing of this game. But I do like Angry Birds. I do like the Angry Birds stuff. I have Plus, if you see my Angry Birds 101. I had my friends, I had Super Guy and Emo. Well, we still call him Emo. I don't know what he's changed his name to yet. I can see that. That's pretty good. Okay, so okay, I usually only do a few levels if I get this far, but I'll do one more. And now stop. Oh, so my fingers get stubby, so sorry if you can't see once in a while. I will notice and I will move my finger. I missed that. Occasionally I don't care and I just throw them in one place. But see, that was pretty good because see they're all falling. Do I have any more? Okay, you know what? Dang it, I didn't get it in time. Oh, wait, I need to go back. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Mighty Dragon. I'll call this episode the Mighty Dragon use. Cause I hate that. It's too pigs. Look at that. Look at him. Okay, guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna have another one tomorrow. Well, sometime. Okay, bye.